we help a logistic client ranking in AI overviews with SEO plus geo strategy. Have you noticed how Google's results look different these days? It's not just websites anymore. It's a AI generated summaries right at the top. Some brands are already inside those AI overviews and others they have completely disappeared. In today's video, I will show you how we help a logistics company break into those AI summaries using SEO, smart content, and touch of GEO strategy. If you have seen my earlier videos, you already know how powerful GEO optimization can be. This project is where all of that came together. Hi, I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO and founder of MatrixPix. We help businesses grow their visibility online, not by chasing algorithms but by aligning strategy with how people actually search and engage in the age of AI. I have been in this space for over a decade, long enough to see SEO evolve from keywords to context and now to AI interpretation. And trust me, ranking in AI overviews is not luck, it's strategy. And speaking of strategy, let me walk you through a recent project where we use this exact approach to help a logistics client secure top visibility inside Google's AI overviews. The challenge: our client, a global logistics provider, offered us services like freight forwarding, FTL and LTL transport, FCL shipping, warehousing, and FTWZ solutions. But here is what was happening. Their key services pages weren't ranking at all. Some keywords were stuck beyond page 2 or 3, and with Google's new AI overview rollout, they had zero visibility there. So, our challenge was simple to define but tough to execute. Improve rankings for high intended logistic terms, earn visibility inside Google's AI overviews, strengthen topical authority for logistic related queries. The strategy. Now, without diving into our proprietary methods, let's break down the broad framework we followed and more importantly, why it worked. Phase 1: Aligning for a AI discovery. When Google's AI overviews launched, most websites weren't ready. Their pages were written for humans, not machines that summarize. So our first steps was to make the content understandable, not just readable. We helped the site communicate its expertise in a way that AI could instantly grasp: clean structure, clear intent, and strong contextual signals. Thinking of it like talking to a smart assistant. You don't ramble, you give it exactly what it needs to build a clear answer. Phase 2: Creating a web of relevance. Next, we made sure the website didn't look like a collection of isolated services but like a one cohesive network. Every service is connected to another in a logical, thematic way, kind of how Logistic Hub connects warehouses, fleets, and trade zones. That structure helps search engines see the brand's authority within the logistics ecosystem, not just for individual keywords. Phase 3: Understanding intent and location. Then came a crucial part: figuring out why users were searching for these logistic terms. Were they trying to understand, compare, or decide? We found that intent varied. Some searched regionally, some looked for capabilities, others wanted clarity. So we fine-tuned the content and metadata to reflect how real buyers think, not how algorithms crawl. It's a balance, meeting users halfway while giving the AI the context it needs to trust your content. Phase 4: Experience and trust signals. Finally, we focused on a user experience because AI doesn't just read your text, it watches how people interact with your site. We made sure every page felt smooth, fast, and credible, the kind of experience that tells both users and algorithms this is a reliable source. In today's search, engagement is the new authority. If visitors stay longer, explore deeper, and interact more, AI recognizes that as a trust. Let's say you run a logistic business yourself. You have got a page on FTL services that reads like a brochure, long sentences, jargons, no structure. We had transformed that into a crisp summary up top Short sections like industries we serve, fleet capabilities, coverage areas, and a quick FAQ that answers what users are already typing into search. That's the kind of clarity Google and users love, and that's exactly what AI overviews pick up. The results. Now let's talk about results because this is where things really got interesting. In just 4 months, from April to August 2025, we saw a complete turnaround. The Automotive Supply Chain Solution page, it wasn't even the top 100 when we started. By August, it was showing up in the top 3 inside Google's AI overview. FCL Shipping jumped from 19th position to straight to number 1. FTL Logistics went from 35 to number 1. FTWZ in India moved up from 19 to number 1. LTL Freight from 37 all the way to number 1. FTL Transport from number 24 to number 1. That's 6 high intent, high competition logistic keywords dominating both organic search and AI overviews. But the real win wasn't just ranking, it was visibility. They achieved top visibility in AI overview for multiple competitive keywords. Keywords such as FTL Transport, FCL Shipping improved from 20s, 30s position to rank number 1. 400% increase in impressions and higher CTR through AI overviews and snippet visibility. Strengthen domain authority and industry trust as a reliable AI cited source. That consistency built credibility, the kind of visibility that makes users say, if Google keeps citing this brand, they must be doing something right. That's where SEO meets trust. If you are wondering how your brands can start appearing in AI results, how to align your SEO for the next phase of Google search, let me know what challenges you are facing in the comments. Thanks for watching. If this case study sparked ideas for your own strategy, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might benefit. I will see you in my next one.